This is the front rotor and brake pad that I need to replace. So first, I'm gonna take this bolt out. Then come down here. We got another bolt right here, and I'm using the 14 to do it. And also, you guys are gonna need, cause I'm doing this and recording myself. You also got two other bolts that you guys need to take out to take the rotor out. This, well, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this bolt right here, there's two bolts, one here and the other one is right here. So it's two bolts, 1, 2, and the caliper is 1, 2. Okay, so let's get it, guys. I almost got it out. So easy. Okay, I'm using one hand to record and the other hand to tear the ball out. Okay, guys, so now for these two bolts right here, there's one right here, and like I said, the other one's down here. Look, I'm gonna use this is the 18, I think, the 18 millimeter, to take this bolt out. Sorry for my camera, guys, but I'm recording and doing the job at the same time. Okay, so voila, this is how you guys take a rotor out. So if you guys see, you have one bolt here and another bolt here, and this is the 18 millimeter. Okay, this is the last two bolts that you need to take the rotors out. So you gotta take the caliper, the two caliper bolts out, and then these are the last two bolts that you guys need to take out, and these last two bolts are 18 millimeter, and for the caliper there is 14 millimeter. Voila.